Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Finding the limits as x approaches a simple case. Let's take a look at a couple examples. First, the limit as x approaches 3 of 5x squared minus 3x plus 1. What we're always going to do first is just plug in 3. Here we'll have 5 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 1, which will get us 9 times 5, 45, minus 9 plus 1, ending up with 37. This would be the same if the function was more complicated. Limit as x approaches pi of cosine of x over the natural log of x squared. This would give us cosine of pi divided by the natural log of pi squared. Cosine of pi is -1, and we can't do much to simplify the natural log of pi squared. That'd be our final answer. This will always be the route that you take when you're evaluating a limit as x approaches a. Just plug in the value for a, and if you end up with a real number answer, that'll be your solution.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.